got stuck on your axe.
Here comes Rashad. He's definitely keeping the mosquitoes away today with all the smoke coming from his 4.0. Now he's going to attempt to do a small waterfall. Blasting his music. 12-inch subs in the back pounding. Walked it.
Throw away. Stop.
Yeah, he didn't have enough gas.
when four-wheelers were still open,
Yeah.
I went in there talking to Bishop about getting a locker for my rear at the time.
So I was scrolling through OfferUp and Facebook like I always do. I mean, I've talked about it before, and I found a AX15. Believe it only had 150 something thousand miles on it. Came off of a 97, 98, that body style. I got the pedals with it, and this will be going in my ZJ. Reason being is my ZJ has about, I don't know, I think it's 210,000 miles, and my transmission just seems tired. It likes to downshift a lot, and when I'm on a highway doing about 70 or 80, it'll hold it, it'll just downshift a lot. My buddy with the white Jeep, the XJ, I'll throw some pictures and videos in right here. I drove it on the highway doing 70, 75, even 80, and I kept it in 5th gear. He has a 4 9-inch and a 44 up front, 538 gears, and it cruised just nice. And ever since then, I told myself, I'm like, I need to swap my transmission, because there's no reason why mine is that sluggish compared to his. I mean, mine probably does weigh a little more. And then my other buddy David, he has 2 manual, a YJ and XJ, and his just drive really good and have power. And they kept mentioning my transmission felt like it was missing something, and it was getting tired. So this is my replacement. I'm gonna start to gather parts for it, and I'm gonna throw it in there. But like I said, it's AX15 external slave, 150,000 miles. I got the pedals with it, and I got the transmission mount for it as well. Hopefully I can swap this in there. I'm gonna start gathering parts. It's not gonna be right away, but that will be going in my Jeep eventually.